Dustin Metcalf here with San Juan College. Video portfolio clinical pathology 222. We are going to go ahead and run a chemistry test today with our vet scan. We are going to need a rotor. We're going to need a blood sample. In our clinic we usually use a green top tube. For the purpose of this test, we're going to go ahead and use a serum separator tube. As you can see, this blood is hemolyzed. For this test, that should be okay. We also need our transfer pipette. And we are going to go ahead and suck up, hopefully we have enough here, serum, as much as it will take. There we go. We're going to make sure we don't get the wax in there. And then we're going to go ahead and fill our sample well until it gets all the way to the end. And we just want to make sure there are no air bubbles in there. Then we're going to go ahead and open the machine and put our rotor in there. It's going to ask us for the patient client information. And I know for my paper here, our number, first of all we need to put in that it's a dog. And then we're going to put in the patient number, which is 107088. Hit done, and then it's going to go ahead and run. It takes about 13 minutes for our chemistry test to run, and then our results are going to pop out the top. The other thing we're going to be showing you is how to actually package this lab sample. In our clinic, we are an ER clinic, so we don't send out a lot of blood samples. But this is how we do it. So we have our Antec diagnostics. We use Antec here. They all go through the computer. We don't do paper anymore. This is a Cryptococcus antigen test, which requires a serum separator tube. This sample is very nice and not hemolyzed. This is how we prefer it. We always want to make sure we spin down anything in a serum separator tube. And then depending on the clinic, some clinics like it drawn off the wax before it's sent, others do not. Here, we do not pull it off. And then we're just going to make sure we have our requisition form and our sample the way it should be, and then we're going to go ahead and package it. And then we walk over here to our lab book, and we're going to make sure that it is recorded. And Bailey is recorded right here, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in the fridge. And so this is our lab samples to be sent out, and our Antec guy will come in the morning to pick it up. Now we should be just about done with our chemistry test. All right, and it looks like our results just popped right up here. So we're going to go ahead and make a copy of the blood work. And we always want to make sure that we have, there we go, we have the sticker for our blood work so that it is correctly identified. We're just going to go over to the copy machine and make a copy. And then we are going to give that to the doctor.